In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to model a simple room in Cinema 4D. We'll begin by setting up the 4-view layout so your shapes line up accurately from every angle. Switch to the layout that shows top, front, right head, and perspective views. This gives you a clear overview and helps you place elements precisely without guessing. Take a moment to check your grid scale and units so your room dimensions make sense, and turn on snapping if you want help keeping edges aligned. In each orthographic view, frame your workspace so the center of the grid is visible. This will keep your scene organized from the start and prevent drift as you model. Next, create the basic room structure using a simple primitive. A cube is great if you want an enclosed room quickly. Drop in a cube, set its width, height, and depth to match your intended room size, then make it editable and delete the top polygon if you need an open ceiling for easier viewing. You can also use a plane to start from the floor and extrude the walls up. This is handy when you want full control over wall thickness and layout. Whichever you choose, keep the geometry clean and the scale realistic so later details fit correctly. With the base shape in place, begin adding detail using the extrude tool or booleans. For doors and windows using extrude, switch to polygon mode. Select the wall polygon where the opening will go, and use an inner extrude to define a frame, then extrude inward to create the actual opening or recess. This approach keeps your topology tidy and is easy to adjust. If you prefer booleans, create a new cube to represent the door or window volume, position it precisely in the orthographic views, and use a Boolean set to subtract that cube from the wall. Booleans are fast and flexible. Just keep an eye on the mesh quality and consider enabling high quality and single object options if needed. Throughout this process, maintain a clear workflow and keep your scene organized. Name your objects descriptively, group related parts under a single parent for the room, and color code or layer them so you can quickly hide or isolate walls, floors, and cutters. Save versions as you go, especially before major operations like booleans, so you can roll back if something doesn't look right. By the end, you'll have a clean, well-aligned room model with properly cut door and window openings, ready for materials, lighting, and furniture in your next steps.